Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is 2004 Toyota RAV4. This one is a two-wheel drive system, and this gives us opportunity to go look together on the front brakes. So let's do it right now. I'm inspecting this vehicle which my friends recently bought. So I had to, remove the tires and rims because I wanted to see in the detail in which condition these brakes are. Let me bring the light. And I believe from what I'm seeing that somebody just before selling it to them replaced these brakes. I think these rotors, that's a question about the lip. Does it have a lip? Not really. These rotors might be also new, but the brake pads definitely, they are 8mm. Hopefully you can see the detail there, right? These are basically brand new, these pads. It's as beefy as it gets. Definitely there's no need to service that. On the contrary, just to get sidetracked, if you look on this strut, do you see that surface? It's all wrapped, slightly coated with the oil. So I will think, also if you look here, right, this is all oil. So I will think in past this strut was leaking because it doesn't look new, right? It looks used. But let's go to look on the other side. So once again, these are the brakes. See that pad inside? That's 8mm. That's basically as thick as it goes. And hopefully it's installed correctly, right? And I wanted just really quickly show you how this system looks like, right? In the case you wanna maybe work on yours, or you are buying parts, or whatever reason you might have. So please stay tuned and be subscribed because I have way more videos coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.